Hey kings and queens. Okay, so today we're gonna just be organizing my extraordinarily messy bookshelf filled with all my LPS. You know, I have literally just one shelf, my main 5 shelf is like perfectly clean, and then the rest is like literally a total nightmare. So I'm just gonna be cleaning this mess because it's been a long time coming where I have been avoiding this travesty. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So, love you. Okay, so here is my disaster of a shelf right now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I'm gonna be organizing all of this monstrosity today, so wish me luck. Starting by throwing everything into this big old bin. Y'all, can you hear that? That's one of the walkable LPS. I have to find it and turn it off. Hey guys, welcome to day 2. Alright, so I've gone pretty far so far. I still do have a lot to do. I have several different piles to put up, but I already have cats, dogs, and most of the amphibians and the birds up already. So I have like zoo animals, ferrets, whatever. Let's go ahead and get into today. So. Okay, so that is every LPS except for my mascot, which I will put on right now. And that's it. I'm completely done. All my LPS are finally organized. I'm happy with how it turned out, and thank you so much for watching.